Orchids are works of art, and it's worth investing in a beautiful pot that meets their moment. It's also worth doing your research on the best orchid pots to ensure your plant is happy and healthy. Orchids are a bit pickier than other houseplants when it comes to their home, says Ryan McEnany, 5th-generation plantsman, garden designer, and author of Field Guide to Outside Style. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 orchid pots on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Repot-Me 4x6 inch ceramic orchid pot. These ceramic orchid pots from Repot-Me are miniature works of art. Each pot has a rich, two-tone glaze and a high gloss finish. Drainage holes are incorporated into the design for maximum functionality without sacrificing style. The overall effect is strikingly beautiful paired with orchid blooms. The pots also include a drip tray to collect water and protect your surfaces, plus the bottom of the tray features padded feet. Though the pot is available in a few sizes, the brand says the 4x6 inches hexagonal pots are great for smaller orchids in the Dendrobium and Oncidium families. While the pot does come with a plant liner, it's just a simple black plastic pot with no slits or drainage holes. You could remove this layer, or upgrade to a higher quality plant liner. In fact, Repot-Me sells these as well. Product details: size, 4x6x4 inches, material, ceramic. Number 2. Santino 4.9 inch Orchidea self-watering pots. This pick has earned the title of best orchid pot because of 3 key traits: functionality, variety, and value. The pot is self-watering, which means the inner pot can be removed to fill up the bottom of the outer pot with water. Warning: it fits pretty snugly, so you may have trouble separating the pieces. The orchid will then drink up as needed via the installed wick system, preventing overwatering, and you can monitor when a refill is needed from a small window at the bottom of the pot. You can also choose between 8 colors and 2 sizes, providing plenty of options to match your plant and decor. Finally, the best part is the price. All of this comes for under $20. Product details: size, 4x6x4.9 inches or 5x7x5.9 inches, material, plastic. Number 3. Panwa handmade hanging orchid basket. Hanging planters are great for displaying beautiful orchids, but you don't want to grab any old version or you run the risk of creating a less than ideal environment for your plant. This handmade bamboo hanger from Panwa is the best orchid pot for this purpose. The open weave provides plenty of circulation and drainage for your plant's roots, while the teardrop shape provides snug quarters for an orchid to flourish. The planters are beautifully made and distinctive. You can buy them in packs of 2, 4, or 6 to create a whole hanging garden setup. In addition to orchids, some users note that these also work well for succulents. Even considering that orchids thrive in smaller planters, these might be a tight fit for larger orchids. They're the smallest planters on our list, and it's unfortunate that they don't come in multiple sizes. Number 4. Eva Solo self-watering orchid pot. Overwatering an orchid is easy to do, which is why a self-watering pot makes a great choice for those who worry about their plant care skills. This one has a cute, minimalist design. The part the orchid sits in is made from clear glass, allowing light to absorb through the roots of the plant. The base serves as a water reservoir, with nylon wicks that ensure your plant absorbs only the water it needs without the risk of rotting roots. The reservoir is made from semi-transparent frosted glass to show you how much water is left. As far as downsides go, there aren't many, though you may find that the nylon wicks get gross over time and might need to be replaced. Product details: size, 6x7x6 inches, material, glass. Number 5. Two's Company Faux Bamboo Cash Pot. Orchids are striking, statement-making plants, so why not pair one with a striking, statement-making pot? Designed to replicate bamboo, this is one of the best orchid pots because it can visually hold its own against such a striking plant. Whereas orchids are vibrant in color, this cash pot is glossy white with a square, geometric structure. We think these two distinctive styles would make a beautiful contrast. Add the plant and give it as a gift for something truly memorable. That said, this pot is only available in stark white. If that's not your style, you'll want to look elsewhere. Product details: size, 7.75x7.75x7 inches, material, ceramic. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. I hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one and we hope you like this video. Check out the description box if you want to know the product price. Thanks for watching.